You are paying Shopify developers anywhere between $2,000 to $3,000 to help you build custom stores. Now I just built one in less than 10 minutes using Google's Antigravity. It's client ready, you can integrate payments, and honestly, you're doing this the most expensive way. Now this store cost me $0 and the landing page is animated with custom video. The backend is a Shopify, and honestly, clients cannot tell the difference between this and a $3,000 developer build. Everything you see in front of you has been developed using AI, and you are about to cut out the middleman entirely. The secret is a hidden Shopify component library most people do not know exists, and a headless API token that turns Antigravity into a storefront generator. I'm going to show you the exact prompt, the structure, the API handshake, and the one Google tool that generates product videos in under 60 seconds. And if you leave now, you are choosing to keep paying developers. So step one is image generation. And most people waste hours inside of Photoshop, but this process takes 90 seconds. And I'm inside of Google Whisk. This is an experimental platform from Google Labs, but it works amazingly well. What's great about Google Whisk is they give you access to Nano Banana completely for free, and you can generate as many images as you want until you're happy with the output. Now you can see here that I've generated a few different assets, and I've used a JSON prompt for this because this is how you get the best results. I've actually created a Google Docs with all the prompting. If you want access to this document, just type in Goblin in the comments and I'll send it over to you. So the first thing we need to do is really generate a hero image. So the image that you saw on my website of the can exploding, that's the image that I'm going to generate first. So head over to the Google Docs, and then you're going to basically copy this prompt here. Now you can call this product anything you want. You can change the colors, you can change the font, everything is customizable. This is the prompt that I use to create Goblin energy drink. Head back into Whisk and then just paste it here. Run it a few times just to make sure that you're happy with it, and when you are, just save the images because the output is optimized for landing pages and your product pages. And we've just busted a common misconception, and that is you do not need Photoshop or Canva Pro for high-end product visuals. Google Whisk takes care of it for you. The next step is to set up a Shopify using the headless API setup. Now this is the API that most Shopify users do not know that they have access to, and honestly it's a secret sauce, a bridge behind this entire process, and is the one thing that's going to automate everything for you. So the first thing you need to do is you want to sign up to the free trial inside of Shopify. It's $1 a month for 3 months. You got 90 days for $3. You can test it, you can try it, and you can cancel it anytime. So the first thing you want to do is head over to apps, and you want to do a search for headless, and this is the app that you want to install. And the reason is it gives you the storefront API. This is how we connect Google's Antigravity into Shopify. Click on manage, and there's a couple of things we're going to need from Shopify before we can build out the website. The first is the public access token. So copy this and make a note of it. We're going to need it a few steps later. The second thing we need is we need the domain name. So head over to settings, click on domains, and this is the generic domain, the default domain that you're going to get when you sign up to Shopify. Now you can actually add a custom domain. So if this is your store or client store, you can do that and change the myshopify.com domain. That's a few more steps, but it's really easy. Just follow their online wizard and you'll have it done in a couple of minutes. But to reduce the friction and just to make this beginner friendly, I'm going to use the default domain, which is this one here. So make a note of this as well. And we're going to use this with the Antigravity prompt injection. But we've also busted another common misconception, and that is you do not need to touch Shopify theme files to make any of this work. Antigravity is going to build your storefront for you. The third step is we want to add the product details into Shopify. Now, this used to be painful. You had to think about optimization and clickbaity titles, but I'm going to show you the easiest way you can do this, again using AI. All you have to do is copy and paste. This time you're going to head over to gemini.google.com. I'm on the pro plan, but you can do this on the free plan as well. Upload any of the images that you've downloaded from Google Whisk, and then you're going to give it this prompt. Give me a Shopify product description for this energy drink. It's as simple as that. And then you're going to see something amazing. This is what Gemini spits out, and it's really incredible. It's a really optimized title. I kind of like the way it's playing on words, and then it's giving me a nice description with a specs table. Again, I've not asked it to do any of this specifically. All I prompted Gemini was give me a product description for Shopify for this image. That's it. It's giving me a testimonial and a nice little blurb at the end that we can put at the bottom of the description. So copy all of this, head back into Shopify, and then you want to go over to products. So I've already done this, and it's exactly the same description, title. So copy the title, copy the description, add the media. There is just one FYI here, and that is that the basic default theme is optimized for 1000 by 1000. So it's a basic square. But if you download this from Google Whisk, it's going to give you like a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So more like a rectangle. So head over to Canva, just create a custom canvas for 1000 by 1000, upload this and just stretch it out. That's all I've done. You do not need to make it more complicated than that. And the other great thing is that Canva is 100% free on the free tier. Now there's a couple of things you want to make sure that's checked before you move on from this step. And that is on the right hand side here where it says publishing. So we need a few of these activated. We're going to need online store, point of sale shop. The most important one is My Store Headless. If you haven't done this and if you haven't installed the Headless API, the next steps are not going to work. If you've got up to this point and you can see the My Store Headless, which means that the Headless app has been installed, then you're good to go. You can move on to the next step. So now that we have the images, we've got Shopify set up, we've added the product descriptions. The next step is we need the product video because static product images are killing your conversion rate. And this next tool fixes this in 60 seconds. Now this time I want you to head over to Google Flow. Again, it's another experimental tool from Google Labs, but it works amazingly well. What I love is that you can use this to generate as many videos as you want. It's an image to video generator and you get access to VO 3.1, which is Google's best image to video gen tool. So what you want to do here is you want to change this from text to video to frames to video. Upload the image that you downloaded from Whisk. So I'm just going to select one that I've uploaded earlier. And then you head back into the Google Docs. And this time you're going to get the video prompt, which is this one here. Just copy this and then paste it inside the prompting box. After about 40 to 60 seconds, you're going to get some outputs here. And this is what it looks like. I think you agree this is production ready. This is amazing. And we've busted another common misconception, which is you do not need After Effects or a motion designer for animated product showcases. You can do it all inside of Google Flow and it's 100% free. The fourth step is the Google Antigravity prompt injection. This is my favorite part of the entire process because this is where we put all the assets together. We're going to use prompting. The prompt is on the sheet that I'm going to provide you and you're going to let Google's Antigravity build it all for you. And this is where the $2,000 markup from an e-commerce website developer is going to disappear. So head back to the Google Sheet. This time I'm going to collect the last prompt, which is the website Goblin Energy prompt. And this has been optimized for JSON. So I want to make sure that you're going to get the best possible output when you build this for yourself. Copy all of this and that's everything that we need. So let's jump into Google's Antigravity. And if you haven't done so already, head over to antigravity.google. Download it for your Mac or your Windows. I'm actually using it on the Mac, but it's exactly the same on any Windows machine. The first thing you're gonna do is you wanna create a folder on your desktop or any location. And I've called mine Goblin Energy Drink. And then I've basically moved the assets over. So I've got the video, which is downloaded from Flow. And I've also got the Whisk images from Google Whisk, which is this here. So I've just dragged it and moved it inside the folder. Everything else you see, the CSS files, the node modules, the HTML, has all been coded by Antigravity, which is an agentic builder. That means you prompt it to build you whatever you want. So you paste the entire website prompt on the right hand side inside this prompt window. But there's a couple of things you want to include before you hit send, which is this here. The first thing I want to use is the video. So I've basically said use video at, and then I've just given it the video file name. When you use the at symbol, it's going to bring up a list of assets inside of the folder. So you just select the one that's the hero video. The next thing I want to add is here's my Shopify access token. So you paste that from Shopify. And the last thing you need is here's the domain name. And the point of this is once you're happy with the website, you can then push it from Antigravity into your Shopify store. But initially, Antigravity is going to build it on your local machine, on your local host. So it's going to do all that. It's going to recreate everything inside of the prompt. It's going to use all the best practices, everything that I've learned since I've been doing this, tips and tricks that's going to help you deliver an amazing website. It's going to generate all the files. So everything you see on the left-hand side here, CSS, HTML, JSON, everything has been created by my agent. And this will take anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes. Ultimately, it depends on how much you want to build on your website. For this example, I've just done one landing page because I wanted to show you what you can build in 10 minutes or less. And then once it's done, it'll do a playback. So what's cool about Antigravity is it's owned by Google, which also owns Google Chrome, which means that will open up a Chrome window and actually test everything inside of the local host just to make sure that it's working properly. You can actually quote unquote see the website. And this is the best thing about Google Antigravity. One of its greatest features is that when you ask it to build a website, an e-commerce page, a sales funnel, Antigravity will make sure that it's 100% working. Now, there might be some issues with the UI. Some buttons might be missing. There might be some text overlap. That's fine. you can prompt that and you can take a screenshot and put it back into Antigravity and just ask it to fix it. That's all I do. But for the most part, the actual usability, the way the website's built, the buttons, the interactions, all that will be working, and Google tests that. And you can see here that it's now running on a local website, local server, which is localhost port 5173. And we've just busted another common misconception. And that is you do not need to know React, Liquid, or JavaScript to build custom Shopify themes with dynamic elements. Antigravity can do it all for you. So you have just eliminated a $2,000 cost center. You now have a client-ready custom Shopify theme that took less time to build than a Zoom call. And there are clients out there willing to pay thousands of dollars for this skill. Just head over to upwork.com, do a search for Shopify developer, Shopify UX, UI, those kind of keywords, and just see the amount these clients are willing to pay and the budgets that they have. You're going to be very surprised. And if you love this video, and why wouldn't you, do me a solid and smash the like button. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click on the next video you see on screen, watch that too, because I'm somebody that drops AI content, but more importantly, how this content can change your life by helping you make money. Because I'm somebody that spends all my time inside of AI, researching AI, building with AI. And trust me when I say this, we have at most 18 months before AI is going to disrupt all of our lives. It's going to replace entry-level jobs. It's going to replace admin, industries like accounting, law. Is going to turn everything on its head. So I believe we have anywhere between 12 to 18 months before that happens. And honestly, we should all be worried, myself included. So thank you if you made it this far. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And say it with me before you go. Something magical is going to happen today. Take care.